We were invited out to Camp Blanding today to have a mini Construction Career Days event. We are introducing the students here as part of this class to the construction and transportation industries by doing some hands-on learning and giving them exposure to the asphalt, concrete, and surveying opportunities within the industry. This class will fall in between our main events, which our next main event will be in April, from April 5th through the 7th. These cadets will not have the opportunity to attend the main event, so this gives them a small portion of what goes on at that main event, while still affording them the opportunity at the exposure to the industry and the opportunities for the potential scholarships.
One of the prerequisites is to attend Construction Career Days. You've already done that. You're here. Only people who attend Construction Career Days can apply for this scholarship.
Here you go, we got two more.
And the DOT has all different kinds of jobs. A lot of what you're going to see here today is construction work, things that are actually out in the field that you work on, which are great. In your bag, you should have a little tri-fold paper that gives you some ideas of what kind of salaries you can expect to get for different types of work on construction type jobs for DOT. For instance, an inspector aide on the low end makes $19.75 an hour, and on the high end, $22.99 an hour. Not everybody wants to work outside and be in the construction field. Some people have an interest in accounting. Some people have an interest in computers and technology. The Department of Transportation offers opportunities in all those areas as well. We have an information technology office that supports the integration of all of our systems throughout the field and back into the office. So that might be something you're interested in.
We're here today to put on this Construction Career Days for the cadets. We have several labs that are here today. We have the 2 asphalt labs, a concrete lab, we have a survey lab and 2 JEA labs, and we have another lab that has to do with engine servicing. It's a great program. The kids are going to be broken up into groups of 20, and they get to go through and listen to 15 minutes worth of great information and career opportunity. We need all the construction people that we can get. This is a growing environment, and we definitely need them. So it's going to be a great day for the kids.
My name is Cadet McCarthy. Well, we were just over here learning about J-Tech, and today is a big career day here at Florida Youth Challenge Academy. And we had a whole bunch of vendors come out and talk about different things. It's kind of what's been going on all today. There's about 160 different kids out. We're all just talking about different stuff.
I'm Cadet Lugo, and today's career day, we've learned a lot. For example, we're here to get information about J-Tech. We learned that it is a very good, it's a very good chance for you to make a career of yourself, or even if you just want a part-time job, you can start off by joining J-Tech, going to school, graduating, and if you want, you can make a career. You can make it a career for yourself and just build your life up from there. It's a very good chance for you to take a chance like that. That's a very good chance for you to build up a career from there, and we have many other options all around us.
I'm Cadet Manuel.
I'm Cadet Dish. We learned about asphalt and what it's composed of, what it's made out of, and where they get the materials, and how they reuse a lot of the asphalt on the road.
When it rains, the rain goes 3 inches into the asphalt, and it goes down
off into the shoulder of the road so that your cars won't slip when it's raining.
So you're learning all kinds of things about a good career, right, in the future?
Yes, sir.
Without a surveyor on the job, it's actually for the job. The guys come in, they have their plans. They don't know where it's going to go. They can use plans, they know it's going to be around somewhere, but without this kind of equipment,
Our company, we're all over the state. Our office is in Gainesville, we have one in Jacksonville also. Target Engineering. They're having asphalt, you got it. Asphalt cookie, yes sir.
All right, yummy. How does it taste?
All right.
So you guys know how to make asphalt now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is the rebar cage. These spacers right here are keeping that rebar cage evenly distributed in the center of that shaft. So by doing that,
So it's keeping it even.
right? Yes. He's gonna have 6-inch cover all the way around the shaft. Once what they do is they place a rebar cage into the shaft. Say this is one of our shafts. Then they use a trimming. When they use a trimming, the concrete that goes in this trimming has to be clean. You can't just dump concrete into the slurry into the shaft, because then you're contaminating the concrete by the slurry. So they'll cap this off, tape it up real good, so whenever they place the trimming in the bottom of the shaft, it goes all the way to the bottom. The trimming's nice and clean. Then they'll take the concrete truck, once all the plastic properties test and pass and everything, and they'll start filling the trimming. They'll fill the trimming up to the top, so when he lifts up, say a foot in the field of an actual drill shaft, where here we only have to lift a couple of inches, you can see it's going to start pushing out and pushing that concrete to the top. So if there was slurry in this, it'd start pushing that slurry up to the top. And as he's pushing that slurry up, it's being pumped off, because you don't want to just overflow that into a river or on the ground. Once the top of the shaft is finished, they have a bolt pattern that they put in the top of the shaft. So whenever you set your mast arm in 28 days, once the cylinder strengths break to the design strength, and I'll talk about that in just a second, they'll set this bolt pattern in. They'll have a surveyor there to determine the height of the bolt pattern where it's supposed to sit. That's set for 28 days. On each shaft we make 3 cylinders, 4x8 cylinders. In the 28 days we'll break these cylinders to determine the PSI, pounds per square inch, of this design shaft.
If you tilt that forward, it's going to read a different number. If you pull it back, he reads a different number. So that's why we set it dead in front, kind of on your hat, give him a nice vertical. And when he shoots, he can look at your shoulders, keep himself lined up.
All right. Welcome back. Scorpions.
We're excited to be here, and the cadets always seem very well accepting of our event. So we'd like to continue our relationship between the Construction Career Days group and the North Florida Youth Challenge.